Today in this video, we are going to learn some tips, do's and don'ts about top bars in mobile app UI designing. So let's get started. The top bars are used for information and actions relating to the current screen. It is used for branding, screen titles, navigation and actions. Here are some examples. You can also place more than one icon on the right side of the bar. Use the navigation menu for different activities for the user. Now let's come up to the important part of this video. Do's and don'ts. First, don't place more than one icon on the left side of the bar. Use extended top bar in case of long page title. You can use a maximum of 3 icons on the right side of the bar. Try to put other secondary actions in the overflow menu or in the hamburger menu, but putting all secondary actions in the overflow menu or in the hamburger menu is preferred. Always put the navigation bar and the hamburger menu in the left. Always try to put some title in the top bar so the user can know what is this page about. Don't trap the text title. Don't truncate the text. Hiding the title may cause misunderstanding to the user. Any remaining icons that don't fit on the bar can go to the overflow menu so the bar doesn't disturb. I hope you really learned a lot in this video. Make sure to give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and you ask any question in the comment section. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.